The Green River looks harmless enough when it's well inside its banks, but a weakened upstream dam threatens just about everything below, including KSTW's broadcast center in the city of Renton. Building a backup master control at the station's transmitter site on Seattle's Capitol Hill was already in the plan for 2010, but the flood threat, combined with a new opportunity to save rent by sharing space with CBS Radio and an unexpected tax incentive, all combined to push the deadline up to March 31st. KSTW's chief engineer, Ron Dyatt, had 90 days to get it done, so he called in ABS.
And so I was very grateful that ABS's experts came through for me with some very solid ideas that helped us speed up the process and also greatly reduce some of our costs.
Before all this installation work even began, ABS surveyed the site, analyzed the infrastructure, built a new workflow, and even went as far as to rework the plant's design to save $80,000 on air conditioning alone. ABS's relationship with manufacturers allowed rapid acquisition of the gear, some pre-racked and wired at ABS's design headquarters, other work being done on-site 7 days a week to prepare for equipment as it came in.
Basically what we like to do is get all the cables sorted and pulled into their final destinations, and then once that happens, we can kind of keep it clean and start terminating to each device so you're not left over with a big heap of cable when you're done.
How do you keep them all straight?
Magic. Pure magic.
A lot of long hours, but luckily there's not a lot of on-air existing gear to work around, so it's been kind of nice to have an empty space to work in and pull a lot of cable in at one time. So that's good. Just long hours.
ABS was excellent in providing, the documentation, the research and the background for exactly what pieces of equipment would work and what was necessary and what wasn't.
KSTW now has a new master control, Omnion ingest and playout, and all content going to air in either native or upconverted 1080i HD. And get this, it all works with the CBS mandated Utah router and DOS-based automation system, all beautifully detailed in ABS's industry-leading documentation package.
This is a great opportunity for us to finally have real AutoCAD documented as-built drawings for this process, and we intend to spend the money that it takes for us to continue and take this set of documents and from here on out have a solid piece of documentation going forward for any future changes we may make. And that's an invaluable tool.
Meanwhile, viewers noticed nothing. It was a smooth transition over a weekend from one master control to the other, with the station's branding and on-air look improved. And the cost savings from reducing the station's rented space and more energy-efficient operations will be realized over time, just as surely as the Green River will continue to flow through the valley below.